So I've spent hours making this gorgeous turkey dinner for my family. Everything looks perfect. But wait, something's missing. It's actually not missing. It's right here. The unsung hero of every great dinner table. Let me show you how this one little secret saved my fancy dinner. And you guessed it, it's pre-packaged. Alright, today we're tackling cornbread, specifically the one that comes in a bag. The instructions seem pretty straightforward. It looks like we're gonna mix, pour, and bake for exactly 25 minutes. So in my KitchenAid mixer, I've added all the mixture, 1.5 cup of milk. While this is mixing, don't forget to warm up your oven at 375. Add 2 eggs, give it a mix, and then melt 1/2 cup of butter. Then add it to your mixer. But you know what's coming up? Tasting. Let me know in the comments if you guys also lick the spoon.
Not bad.
Okay, you also gotta butter your pan and then pour the mixture in it, tap it, and put it in there for 25 minutes.
I know it's not quite done yet, but let's go and spy on this cornbread. All right, see you in a few minutes.
Now it's time to find out if our cornbread is ready to go or not, according to our packaging instructions. Looking by that color and doing the poke test, I have a suspicious feeling that it's not good. See that batter there? That means it's not ready. It should come out clean. So we're gonna put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes and do the poke test again. When it comes out clean this time around, you know that it's ready. So all you've got to do is pour the pan on the outside edges. That way you can tap it and reveal your nice coloring of the cornbread. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Look at that nice steam coming out. Turkey dinner is going to be saved with this one little side dish. Now let me know in the comments below, would you guys have left it alone or made this cornbread to go along with your turkey dinner? I mean, look at that. It looks so good. See you on the next one.